Let's hear it.
Rain check. Rain check means to postpone or reschedule something. In the early days of baseball, when a game was canceled due to rain, customers were given a ticket to return to a future game without having to pay again. These tickets became known as rain checks. Practice talking about rescheduling plans.
Okay, guys. See, it says here to postpone or reschedule something. So I am right, right? I am right. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
As
So let us try this, Ria. You want to try this? We were thinking of having lunch together after the meeting tomorrow. Are you in? So when you say,
let's
are
get
you in? Are you
samples.
game? Okay. Let us see some samples. Are you ready to see the samples?
Okay, ready?
There's a professional one and a casual one. Which one would you like to choose?
The professional one.
The professional one, which is the first one. Let's
The
hear
first
this.
one,
I
yeah.
am very sorry, but I need to take a rain check. I have another meeting scheduled.
Ria, you just need to repeat this. Are you ready for
Okay.
this, Ria?
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
I am very oh sorry. I am very sorry, but I need to rain check. I have another meeting scheduled.
Let us see the result. Scoring the pronunciation. By the way, we have scores here, but on the
Yeah.
paid version, the premium version, you see the breakdown. Oh, it's excellent!
Oh, excellent.
Good.
Round of applause, but there are just words